Unbox the last generation S9 Plus by Samsung. Let's see what it's inside. It's the manual, the smartphone, power supply, some adapters, and headphones, USB cable, and something there. This is the Samsung, the last generation 9 Plus. It's very slim, it's not very heavy.